What's up? Danny High Soccer with Colony, helping people do their business better. Today we have an unboxing video of the brand new Yealink BH72 Lite. Let's just get into this box so that you guys can see what's inside. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's open up this box and take a look inside. So first you get the little BH72 and BH72 Lite quick start guide. And you can see that's it. That's all in this box. So we'll go ahead and get that out of the way. And then here we have the actual case that the Yealink BH72 resides in. And so we'll go ahead and see what's inside this little bag. So there's this little foam thing. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, and so we have the Yealink BH72 headset. And you can see the speakers rotate all the way around and lay flat for easier storage. Here's the little USB dongle so that you can pair it to your computer. This is a Bluetooth headset. So the BH stands for Bluetooth headset. And here is the charging cable. Let's take a look what else we got in this bag. That's it. So there you go. This bag is nice and flexible there, but it does contain all the parts and pieces that you'll need to get this to work. Alright, so let's talk about, now that we've opened it up and you guys can see what it looks like. There it is, the headset. So let's talk about it. So let's see. So the Yealink BH72 Lite comes in at an MSRP of $200, talk time of up to 35 hours, music time of up to 40 hours. It does not have active noise canceling. It does have passive noise canceling though. So when you put this on, there is a noticeable difference in these background noise around you. So out of the box, you're gonna have connectivity to your mobile device via Bluetooth and your computer via that included BT51 USB dongle. And it is available in USB-A and USB-C. Yeah, so you saw what you get in the box. The cool feature that this BH72 brings is that retractable microphone, so you can go from a business professional audio call to I'm just a cool dude listening to some tunes on my stylish headphone. Stay tuned, we're gonna do a mic test for these headsets so you guys can hear what they actually sound like. But if you like this type of video, or if you want to learn more about Yealink audio and video solutions for personal and group use, feel free to reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be in the description box below. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.